Hi, my name is Sarah and I work in a small office. Yesterday was a very busy day and we had a lot of problems to solve. Let me tell you what happened. In the morning, I arrived at work and turned on my computer. But my computer was slow and it didn't start properly. I waited and waited, but it didn't work. I felt stressed because I had important emails to answer. So I called the IT, information technology team, and they helped me fix it. They said I needed to restart my computer, and after that it worked fine. I was relieved. After that, my boss gave me a big project. He asked me to finish it by the end of the day. I knew it would be difficult, but I wanted to do a good job. I started working quickly, typing up information and checking details. But then I noticed that some files were missing. I asked my coworker Jake if he had the files, but he didn't. I looked everywhere on my computer, but I couldn't find them. I decided to ask my boss about it. He said, "Oh, sorry, Sarah. I forgot to give you the files." He then emailed them to me. I was happy to have the files, but I was also worried because I had less time to finish the project. I worked hard and tried to focus, even though it was stressful. Then, after lunch, we had another problem. The internet in the office stopped working. Everyone was confused and didn't know what to do. Without the internet, we couldn't check emails, work on projects, or have meetings. My boss called the internet company and they said it would take 1 hour to fix. So we all waited and some of us worked on things that didn't need the internet. When the internet finally came back, I was so happy. I quickly finished the project and sent it to my boss just before the end of the day. I was tired but felt proud that I did my best, even with so many problems.